2801 Skidmark. Arm pad C, Steve's all set, tracking is set. Everybody on the range is paying attention. I have a clear range and a clear sky. Pad C going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold this. Smoke.
Where are we now?
About 3,000 feet off the ground.
Oh, so we're coming in fast. So, well, not fast. It's been 6 minutes, but you think it's over this way? So we have two different tracking elements. We have the RF tracker and the GPS transmitter. It's a balloon boy. Apparently it's this way. Oh my gosh, this is the farthest I've ever gone from the pad. That's amazing.
According to this,
we're
about 0.01 mile away from it.
Somebody's trusting the data. Hey, oh wow, before we touch it, check out the well, let me take it on video. Look at the damage from the Supersonic, or no, maybe just plier rash. That's probably just plier rash. Nice long shot cord, I'm glad I used it.